Hello guys, welcome back to OJ Marketing. I'm here again with yet another amazing strategy you can actually use to drive traffic to your Adsterra direct links. And guys, this is gonna be an amazing strategy right now which you can actually use to start making some cool cash right here. As with this platform, you do get some high CPM direct links right now, and you can use that to making some cool cash. So do watch this video right here to the end to learn this simple strategy. And without much delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. If you don't know what Adsterra is all about, you can see right here that Adsterra is an advanced advertising network with a unique partner care approach, and you can actually use this platform to acquire top traffic. You could use this to actually monetize your traffic, or you could also use Adsterra to get CPA offers which you want to promote right now. And if you don't know what CPA marketing is all about, CPA marketing is actually a type of affiliate marketing where you don't need to convince people to purchase any product. All you actually have to do is to convince people to do simple tasks right there by completing a simple survey or just downloading and installing an application on their devices. And if you do direct them to do so, guys, you do get paid some cool affiliate commission right there for every successful lead which you do get using your unique affiliate link. So you can actually use that right here for this platform right now, and you can see that you could sign up right here on Adsterra either as an advertiser, as a publisher, or as an affiliate right now. And you can actually use each platform right there. You could see that you could actually gain access to your growth area, and you could find out that Adsterra do get about 1.34 billion conversions every single year, and they do get about 56 million payouts per year, and also 40,000 partners use this particular platform. You could actually see more details about the ad platform or the ad format which this particular platform do have. You could actually utilize the pop under notification, the social bar, the in-page push notification, and a lot more other types of stuff right now using this platform. But going right ahead right here, you want to just simply click on sign up, and you can either sign up as an affiliate marketer, as an advertiser, or as a publisher right there. And once you do that, guys, just simply go on to log into your account right here. Guys, if I do sign up as a publisher and log into my account, you can see right here I've made this particular amount of money right here on this particular section which is Adsterra right now. You could just simply click on direct link to gain access to this page right here. You could see I actually have two direct links which I could then go on to using. If you want to just simply utilize this right now, copy your direct link, or if you don't have one, just simply go on to clicking on create direct link. So if you do click on create right now, you can see that you'll be shown this pop-up. Go on to removing this particular section or by clicking on non-adult, you're going to remove the erotic ads right now. And if you do click on add, that direct link will be added, and in a matter of some minutes right now, your direct link will get approved. And you can then just simply copy the link and try as much as possible to get traffic to this. And in order for you to get traffic to this, you want to just simply go on to utilizing this platform right here, which is called the tinyurl.com. I'm just going to come right here and paste in that particular link to shorten that link right now. So if I do shorten the link, you can see my new link right here for my Adsterra direct link. I can then just simply go on to promoting the link by clicking on copy and drive traffic to that. So to drive traffic to these, guys, you want to just simply use the movie niche right here. And a lot of people are actually interested in some cool and high grossing movies right now. Maybe you could just simply use a movie that people are actually interested in right now. So if I do focus on this movie right now, which is the Witcher right here, you can actually see more details about this movie right now, and you can actually go on to using that to your preference. You can see right here that this movie was rated about 8.0 out of 10 right now, and you could just simply maybe want to utilize this movie to promote your Adsterra direct link. First of all, head on to Google and search for the Witcher images. And if you do search for the images related to that movie, just simply go on to right clicking on the image and save the image on your device. So if I do click on that right now, I can actually go on to saving this image on my device, and once that has actually been downloaded, I then want to just simply head on to this platform right now, which is called the MeWe.com. And if I do head on to this platform, you just want to go on to writing a simple post right here, because this is kind of a social media platform which you could utilize. So right now, guys, I'm first of all going to go on to uploading that particular photo right there. So if I do select that photo right now, as you can see, the photo is actually being uploaded, you then want to just simply write in a cool post right now. So to write out something, I'm just going to go back to this imdb.com and copy this exact same text right now, which this particular platform actually wrote about this movie. So if you do copy that, head back to this platform and paste in that right now. I can then just simply click and type in something like to watch, click here. And if I do put in something like this right now, I then want to just simply copy this particular link to this tiny URL, which I actually did shorten right here, and actually do head back to this platform, paste in that right now. And if I do paste in that right here, guys, for as many people that do go on to clicking on that particular link, it's going to take them to my Adsterra direct link. And since I'm actually driving traffic to that, guys, for every click which I do get paid some cool cash right now. So you want to just simply do this right here, because a lot of people will be thinking they are actually going on to this movie, but they will be clicking on this your link right now. You can actually do that right here, click on post and start driving traffic to that particular link. So you could also maybe go on to utilizing other platforms out there like Facebook, and you want to just simply search for the Facebook movie niche. So if I do search for Facebook movie related groups right here, you can see that there are a lot of groups right here about movies. You can then just simply go on to joining those groups right now and promote your Adsterra direct link using this exact same strategy. And for as many people that do click on that link, you do get paid some cool affiliate commission. You could also use Twitter right now and actually write a cool post right now and go on to promoting that. And the cool thing about using these social media platforms right here is that even though you don't have some views right now, you can actually do go on to boosting that right here with this particular platform. So if you do have, go onto this platform called the likeforlike.org, you can actually do go on to boosting your social media presence right there and your social media post. As you can see right now, you can actually be seen, be first and be the best right here on any social media of your choice using this particular platform. And right here, you just want to follow these simple steps right here, which is to join the community, get a startup bonus of 30 credits, add social network page, and you want to promote and buy credits or get free credits by liking and following other people's content, and you will get followers and likes also. So if you're actually getting a lot of engagement to that post, like retweets, maybe if you're using Twitter, or reposting right there, it actually helps you go on to getting your article to a lot more amount of audience right there, of which if people do click on the link, you're actually going to make some cool cash. You could also utilize this other platform right now, which is called the addmefast.com. And with this platform, guys, you could then just simply go on to boost your social media presence also right here. As you can see, you could also do that right here. You could get free likes, subscribers and followers and views right now, and also hits right here using this particular platform. So why not just simply use this particular platforms right here to your advantage to start actually making money right now with your Adsterra direct link. And the cool thing about this is that even though you do get little amount of traffic right there, because this is actually a high CPM platform, you do get paid some cool cash right now. So use this to your advantage and start making a lot of money online. And with that being said, we've come to the end of this video. If this video was actually helpful to you, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells is turned on all. See you all guys in my next video, and goodbye.